self-discovery is very important as a speaker. If I talk about many business people, bosses and leaders, they think that I am the smartest person in the world. I am a brilliant speaker. So the CEO thinks that I am the best communicator in the world, and the team leaders or the team people, they do not have the guts to say that, boss, you are a terrible speaker. Rather, they sugarcoat it very well and say that, great job. Yes, because everybody's job is important for them, right? Great job, you are awesome, boss, right? So self-discovery as a speaker is very important. Now, how to do that? Simply tell somebody to record your video while you're presenting, maybe half an hour or 1 hour. Tell them to record the video. You see it yourself, or let somebody see, your friend, your relative, your colleague, whoever has a similar mindset as you. So tell them to watch the video so that, because you don't know how you come across as a speaker to the audience. So you have to see your own recording, and that is self-reflection. That is self-reflection, and that is self-discovery as a speaker, which is very, very important. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next video.